Hello family, thanks for tuning in again with Zaya. And today's video is on how to make masa or rice cake the traditional way. It is a famous northern Nigeria's delicacy. Our ingredients are yeast, sugar, baking powder, glutinous rice, and parboiled rice. So we start by adding the parboiled rice to boiling water and cook. Then wash the glutinous rice and soak for an hour. Drain the water and add to a bowl. Add the cooked rice. Add yeast, add onion, stir all together and blend. Add sugar and curd. Cover and put in a warm place to rise. Thin the consistency a bit with water if it's too thick. Heat the pan and add oil. Add the mixture and allow to fry on one side. Add enough oil before flipping to prevent sticking. Flip the other side and fry as well. If you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe and hit the notification bell. Also leave a comment below for more recipe suggestions. Thank you.